Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel to infinity and beyond. In this video, you will get a complete guide for beginners on how to edit on iMovie. Before we get to the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon. When you first open iMovie, this is what you will be seeing. The first thing we have to do is click on this big plus button and then create a movie. This will be your complete interface. Here you will get your preview. Here you will get the complete editing timeline, and this is where you'll have all your media and files. To start editing, the first step is to import your media. For doing that, you have to click on this big arrow at the left side of the screen for importing media. You can press command button on your keyboard to select multiple files. Then what you have to do is to go down to the bottom over here and click on import selected. First start building your timeline, drag the media you have imported to the timeline. This will be the basic structure of your video you edit. If you have multiple footage, you can drag them to your timeline. Step 2 is to remove all the unwanted footage. You can use the blade feature for adding cuts between the footage. For that, you can press Command B on your keyboard or right click at the point you need to add the cut and click on Split Clip. To copy, cut and paste, you can use the shortcut Command C, Command X and Command V respectively. If you want to shorten the clip from the front, you can hover your mouse at the starting of the clip. You will see an arrow which you can drag till the point you want. You can do the same at the end of the clip. Step 3 is to add audio to your clips. For that, you have to just drag and drop your audio from the media box to your timeline. If you have the audio already with your clips, you can skip this step. You can even add sound effects, background musics to your project by going to the audio and then to sound effects. There are many options from which you can select and add it. Step 4 is to add titles and transitions to your timeline. For adding titles to your project, you have to come to titles and then you will see different options of titles. You can choose whichever title you want to add and then drag it to your timeline. For customizing more, you can go up to this icon and select which font you want or what you want to write in the text box. You can customize it in whichever way you want. For adding transitions, you can go to transition and select the transition you like and add it to your timeline between two clips. Step 5 is to adjust audio levels of your project. For changing the volume level of audio, you can hover your mouse like this and drag up and down according to your need. If you have some background noise of air conditions or traffic, etc., you can go up here and click on this and then tick mark reduce background noise. This would reduce the background noise of your audio. You can add fades to your audio like this. For color grading, you can go to this icon or go over here for customizing your color grades. For adding filters to your clip, you can go over here and click on clip filters. You will see many options of filters which you can use in your clips. The last step is to export your project. For that, you have to go over here and click export file. You will see a pop-up where there are many options for you to export your file. Customize this on your choice and click on next. Select the location and then your file will start exporting. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel.